And the sound of the sweat dripping from his fingers to the floor kept her awake all night. As she lay there naked on her side of the bed, she heard the buzzing of a mosquito suddenly stop. She could have sworn she could see steam rising from her body as the light from a passing car hit the bed. And she thought to herself, he just doesn't love me the way I am anymore. And she thought about leaving him. He may never win, but he will never ever give in to the heat. Yeah, it's been a long hot summer, darling. We've got a lot more sweating to do before we're through. It's gonna get hot, hotter than hell, yeah. So hot, so hot, so hot. It's been a long hot summer, darling. We've got a lot more sweating to do before we're through. And as the night grew longer, the air grew thicker, and the condensation caused the walls to weep. Unable to bear the stifling heat or each other any longer, they both stood up and turned face to face. Suddenly there was a blinding flash and a mighty roar as the clouds exploded and the wind changed direction. They reached for each other and fell writhing to the floor as the rain streaming through the window washed away their sweat.